All right. Hi. My name is Nathan, and I'm here to talk about some of the major things when it came to working in the Halo 5 Forge engine. Some of the things about it that I really enjoyed was that it was very beautiful to look at, and a lot of the things about it almost felt like Unreal Engine, where every asset that came with the game itself. By the way, this whole engine is free to use to your discretion, but one of the cool things about it is that there is so many assets to choose from when it comes to trying to make any type of level that you want, as well as even VFXs and sound effects, decals, from minimal to very large scale, and you can make almost anything with some of the things they use or they provide you. Now, there are some drawbacks when it comes to using this engine. One of the things that I found that really irked me was that for some reason, every preset item that you're able to drag onto the screen wasn't wouldn't let you rotate it, or not rotate it, but more or less scale it. So in Unreal or Unity, you're able to grab an object and just size it however you want. I have yet to find anywhere, or at least any object, where I can size it to where I want it to be a certain size. It's everything that was made was all preset and not to be tampered with, other than just rotating it and moving it along the axis, which was kind of annoying when it came to me making rough terrains around my area. But sooner or later, I found that a lot of the objects are meant to be certain sizes, so I just decided to use them and bury them in the ground. It worked just as well, but I really wished I was able to resize it and make certain things bigger than they should be or smaller than they should be, rather than having just a regular preset. Secondly, one thing that I did not find out about until recently was when it came to items. If you delete an item, I have not found an undo button. So Control Z did not work at all. If anything, it doesn't really help in this situation, because multiple times I've had to try to find the exact object I'm trying to look for that was recently deleted, and I couldn't find it, and it became more of a hassle just because I couldn't find one little thing. And there's no undo button to my knowledge after trying to rigorously look through forums and other things to find out that other people are having the same thing. So that was one of the major drawbacks, is not having an undo button and forcing myself to relocate exactly on the asset list where everything is. And the asset list is great to have so many, but in this case, when you're in a hurry and trying to make a map look effortlessly great and beautiful, it's really time consuming and also pain. So that was another thing that really wasn't well done, in my opinion. Lastly, the internet connectivity. You're forced to have an online connectivity to use this, because you're using a server, hosting a server, to openly use everything that they have. Now, sounds like a great idea, just because if anything were to happen, the last item that you did place could still be saved. But there were times where I'm in the middle of making something after just saving, and the server would just completely crash and not let me work on my map at all, which forces me to completely close out the Halo editor. And in the end, I personally didn't like it, just because it was almost wasting my time when I could be making the map. The map editor would just close and be like, the server that you're on currently is disconnected, so retry again, which is a pain. But those are some of the things that was the problem when it came to Halo. And overall, the map or the quality of assets they give you, as well as the quantity of assets, as well as other things that they give you, it's almost hard not to pass up of how great it can be. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.